Is all your work?
This is ours.
That's good.
Hi guys, today we're going to first take this part. Now we'll try to fix this, but I got new Legos over here. But now we have to fix the wheel. We got the wheel now. We have to fix it like this. See, fix it like this. Yeah, that's good. Now, you think? I will fix this tail. This is the tail. Yeah. You should press it like this. Now, we'll start from this, okay? Yeah. Now, you put this away. Just, we have to connect this. Just a little part, huh? You just connect it to this. Now, this part should be connected to the drilling car. There we go. Already. How to make this? First, we have to make this. Now I made it already. This thing right now. I'm going to connect this like this. Now, this is all done. Now, you put this on the top. Now, careful. There we go. And put it right over there. And you put this big truck. It has a rope on it over here. I'm going to connect it this side. Just connect it over there. And we'll connect it. There we go. When there's any bad water in this water tanker, it'll just put it in here. Or when there's any hot water, they'll just dump it in over here. And there's any cold water, they'll be over in this truck. See, this one. This is the biggest one. So, we're going to wait for some time before all of the water fill inside it. Okay? So, bye-bye.
Okay.
So we have this big tower is filling water, and these are the garbage cans. They're filling the garbage where? These are the round garbage cans. They're filling the water. They're filling the bad water. So just take it off. Let's take off the water. This is not a garbage truck. This is a drilling truck. We don't need this. What am I using for us right now? I think I have a couple of more things over there. I have a couple more things over there. See? Do you like them? share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. See you later.